Today we are at Wajee Nature Park in Mukurweini, sindio? Mukurweini ni Nyeri County. Na tuko tumepromise that whenever we're walking around we'll be showing you around. So sasa tunaenda nature walk, tunataka kujibamba kiasi. Tucheki hapa kukwaje. Sijui kama wanacheki au ni warembo wanapita. Au ni warembo wanapita. Warembo wa Nairobi wamekuja kuslay ndani ya nature park. But anyway, acha tutembea around tuone vile iko.
It is a very unique tree. As you can see, it seems to be hanging per se.
Aina roots.
Yeah,
someone can look and see. Aina roots. Lakini it is still alive. Yeah? I think ni kama maajabu kabisa. The tree is still alive?
Yeah, the tree is,
yeah?
Yeah, the tree is very much alive. You can see it's getting sort of a symbiotic relationship from up there, from this breadth of it. So like it's growing, it's gaining all the nutrients from this tree. So it had to detach from its source, from its mother, which is a very small stump down here. It detached and then survived on this tree. So they have grown together all this while.
How is it getting nutrients? Are they connected?
Yeah, it's getting nutrients because it's xylem and phloem. Their tissue is connected to this tree. From through that branch up there, you can see it up there. Yeah.
Okay.
You can even swim with it. It's.
Can you try swimming for me?
Try swim.
Are we sure it?
Yeah, it's okay. It's safe.